Manus AI versus n8n. Which automation tool is better? Choosing the right automation tool can fundamentally change how much you can accomplish without writing repetitive code or manually managing processes. Manus AI and n8n are two platforms that approach automation from very different angles, and understanding those differences is key to choosing the right one for your workflow. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that executes complex tasks independently using intelligence and reasoning, while n8n is a flexible open source workflow automation platform that connects tools and services through a visual, node-based system. This comparison breaks down how each platform handles automation so you can find the right fit. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that automates tasks through intelligent reasoning rather than predefined rules or visual workflow builders. It can browse the web, execute code, manage files, gather data, and complete multi-step processes independently, adapting its approach based on what each task requires rather than following a fixed sequence of steps. This makes Manus particularly powerful for automation tasks that require judgment, research, or dynamic decision-making rather than simple rule-based execution. Its intelligence-driven approach means it can handle novel or complex automation scenarios that would be difficult to map out in a traditional workflow builder. Manus AI is best suited for power users and professionals who need intelligent and adaptive automation that goes beyond predefined rules and handles complexity dynamically. n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform that allows users to connect hundreds of apps, services, and APIs through a visual node-based editor without writing extensive code. Its self-hosting option gives technical teams complete control over their automation infrastructure and data, and its large library of pre-built integrations covers most popular tools across productivity, marketing, development, and operations. n8n is highly transparent and customizable, allowing users to build precisely the automation logic they need through a structured and visual approach. It is particularly strong for rule-based automations that follow consistent and predictable workflows between connected services. n8n is best suited for developers, technical teams, and businesses that need scalable, customizable, and self-hostable workflow automation across a wide range of connected tools and services. Feature comparison. Manus AI and n8n are both powerful automation tools, but they operate on fundamentally different principles. Manus automates through AI-driven intelligence and adaptive reasoning, making it stronger for complex and dynamic tasks that require judgment. n8n automates through structured visual workflows and rule-based logic, making it stronger for consistent, repeatable, and precisely defined processes across connected services. The better automation tool depends on whether your workflows need intelligence or structure. Final thoughts. If your automation needs involve complex research, dynamic decision-making, or tasks that require an AI to think through the steps rather than follow a fixed sequence, Manus AI offers a level of intelligent automation that traditional workflow tools cannot replicate. If your automation needs involve connecting specific tools, running consistent rule-based processes, and building scalable workflows you can fully control and customize, n8n delivers one of the most flexible and capable automation platforms available. The better tool is the one that matches the nature of the work you need automated.